In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fixed assets in QuickBooks Online Advanced. Fixed assets are long-term items your business owns and uses, like equipment, vehicles, or furniture. Recording them properly helps your report stay accurate and ensures depreciation is tracked the right way over time. Start by going to the left panel and selecting Advanced Accounting. This is where QuickBooks keeps the tools for higher-level accounting tasks. Once you're in Advanced Accounting, open the Fixed Assets tab. Here, you'll see a list of all the fixed assets already in your books. You can quickly scan names, values, and statuses to confirm what's been recorded so far. If your list is empty, that simply means you haven't added any assets yet, and that's exactly what we're about to do. Next, choose whether you want to add an asset or add multiple assets. Pick Add an asset if you're entering a single item, like one laptop or one vehicle. Choose Add multiple assets if you're bringing in several items at once, such as a batch of office chairs or a set of tools purchased together. This can save time when you have similar assets to record. After you click Add, you'll see a form where you can enter all the key details. Start with a clear asset name and a concise description so you and your team can easily identify it later. Enter the purchase price and include all costs that are part of getting the asset ready for use, such as shipping or installation if they apply. Add the purchase date, which is when you acquired the asset. Set the depreciation start date, which is usually when the asset is placed in service. Then choose the depreciation method that fits your accounting policy, such as straight line or another accepted method. Enter the useful life, typically in years, which represents how long you expect to use the asset. Add the salvage value if you expect the asset to have a residual value at the end of its life. You'll also see fields for account details. Make sure the fixed asset account, accumulated depreciation account, and depreciation expense account align with your chart of accounts and your accountant's guidance. Accurate mapping here keeps your balance sheet and profit and loss statements correct. When everything looks right, click Save at the bottom right. If you're still gathering information or want someone to review the entry, choose Save as Draft. Drafts don't affect your books until you finalize them. That's all you need to add fixed assets in QuickBooks Online Advanced. Keep your documentation handy, stay consistent with your depreciation method, and you'll keep your records clean and reliable.